What's the deal? It's your boy Bobby B, aka Bkmotorsportz, baby. So y'all already know what time it is. I'm smacking like crazy, eating the Skittles. But anyway, we back at the Impala. Got me some new headlights. We already know what the old headlights look like.
See what it was, but I wasn't the kind that was the face, you know.
The old headlights ugly.
I thought that was a good deal because you have more room, man.
This one clean. We got the motor. My uncle over here doing some work. My other uncle truck, heater core. But let's get to all right. So as we can see, I don't know if y'all can see, I got the boat to move right there closer to the middle. How did I do that? Come around here, and this is the harmonic balance. So I took a ratchet and I turned it, and I put it on the pipe. Now I'm gonna put this pipe in here and I'm gonna stop it on the ground so it won't spin when I turn it. So we got this where my ratchet at. We got a wire that goes to negative and a negative. It's the black wire that goes to the battery. And it goes right there where they both at, where they ratchet.
Know somebody got some meals, they supposed to fit on there.
Alright, so this is the AC boat, AC compressor boat. And where do this go? This actually goes, let's go back over here to the AC compressor. This goes right here. Right in here. That's where that goes. Alright, we got the hood off. We got the hood sitting over there. Still got the motor right here. Got the hood off, so you know what time it is after this hood off. It's time to do some dissecting.